Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove multiple accounts on Facebook, and it's pretty simple. You want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen on Facebook and click on the logout button. Just make sure to scroll all the way down to see the logout button and click on it. Click on logout. Now once you log out from your Facebook account, all of the account, or like all of your other account which is currently being saved on your Facebook device, is going to be shown over here. If you want to remove any one of these accounts, you can click on the setting icon at the top right, and then you want to choose the account which you want to delete. Let's say I want to remove this account. After I click on the account, it's going to show me the remove profile button. If I click on remove profile and click on remove, this Facebook account whose information is saved on my device, like the login information, is going to be removed. So the next time if I want to log in into this Facebook account, I need to enter its password and its login detail, then only I can log into this account. That is how you guys can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.